Now here is Newsmax.com. Newsmax has a reach of over 10 million subscribers, and the niches that they would cater to are health, finance, lifestyle, charity, political, and maybe some other niches related to those. And about Newsmax, basically they focus on the conservative political space, slightly to the right of Fox. And their users are generally affluent and care about health, finances, and politics. So right now I'm just on their media page. If you scroll down below, you could read more information on this page. And basically, their readers shop online according to this page, and that they donate generously to charities and political causes. And so basically, the important thing for you here is that, Newsmax readers are buyers. All right, and if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you could also download a media kit in PDF format. Okay, but once again, I just want to stress to you that these guys have a reach of over 10 million responsive subscribers. So definitely worth checking out if you want someone to send out a solo ad for you for your website in one of those niches that they cover.